In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a Capital One 360 checking account. Whether you're looking to switch banks or open a new account, Capital One offers a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to head over to the official Capital One website. Alternatively, if you prefer using your smartphone, you can open the Capital One mobile app. Both platforms are user-friendly and provide an easy way to start your application process. Once you're on the website or in the app, look for the 360 checking account. It's a popular option, so it should be prominently displayed. Click on the Open Account button to start the application process. This will lead you to a form that needs to be filled out with your personal information. Now, take your time to fill out the application form. You'll need to provide your name, address, date of birth, email, and phone number. Remember, this information needs to be accurate to ensure the smooth processing of your application. Additionally, you'll need to enter your social security number or ITIN. This is a standard requirement for opening a bank account in the US and helps verify your identity. After entering all your details, there might be a step where you need to upload or verify your identification. This could be a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Make sure the documents are clear and legible to avoid any hitches in the process. Once all the information is filled out and any necessary documents are uploaded, take a moment to review your application. It's always a good idea to double-check for any errors or omissions. When you're satisfied that everything is in order, go ahead and submit your application. If your application is approved, congratulations. You can now fund your account and start using it right away. Capital One will provide you with a debit card and you'll gain access to their online and mobile banking features, making it easy to manage your finances wherever you are. And that's it. Now, that's how to open a Capital One 360 checking account. With this account, you can enjoy the convenience of online banking and the freedom to manage your money on the go. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Capital One's customer service is always there to help. Thanks for watching and happy banking.